Here, hi students. Today we will discuss 5th class English Bridging Gap Activity 3 Worksheet 2. Okay, first bit. Write the things you saw in the picture previous. Saw in the previous picture. Previous picture means this one. Here, what are the things there in this picture? Okay, you can find out the things: balloons, trees, pots, bullock cart, pig, teddy bear, boxes, and toys, cat, caps, bat, ball. So many things are there in this picture. Here, bag. Okay, write down the names. Balloons, and teddy bear, toys, bullock cart, boxes, bat, ball, pots. These are the so many things are there here. Bag, caps, trees. Okay, here we divide down balloons, teddy bear, toys, bullock cart, boxes, bat, ball, pots. Here, write a possible conversation between the toy seller and the girl. Who is she? She is Sumana. Who is he? He is toy seller. Write down the conversation between the toy seller and Sumana. Here, Sumana, uncle, what is the cost of the doll? She wants to buy a doll. Then she asked toy seller, what is the cost of the doll? Then the toy seller replied to Sumana, that is 250 rupees. Then Sumana is replied to toy seller, it is costly. Please give me discount. She asked discount. Then the toy seller, okay, give me 150 rupees. Then Sumana, take it, uncle. Take it, uncle. Then the toy seller, okay, I will pack the doll. I will pack the doll. Thank you, uncle. Welcome. Take it. Here, the conversation between the two persons. Who are there? Toy seller and Sumana. What is the conversation? She wants to buy a doll. Ask to toy seller Sumana, Uncle, what is the cost of the doll? Then replied toy seller, that is 250 rupees. Sumana, it is costly. Please give me discount. She asked a discount. Toy seller, okay, give me 150 rupees. Then Sumana, take it, uncle. Okay, toy seller, okay, I will pack the doll. Thank you, uncle. Welcome, take it. This is the conversation of toy seller and Sumana. Okay, thank you for watching.